Hi everybody. I hope every one of you stayed out of this cold and doing okay. Here we are. We just got a ice storm last week. And now we got a snow. To be honest, I like snow better than ice. At least you can walk on a snow and don't slip like you do with an ice. But I don't know you can see from there, but the whole yard is covered with snow. They started snowing 10 o'clock. They're supposed to start early in the morning, but it didn't. So when I finished feeding chickens, that's when they started snow. That was a good thing because I don't want to feed the chickens and when there's snow, but it looks like I'm gonna have to this evening. But yeah, you can see way back down there. Um, Greenhouse, carport. You can see they're all covered with snow. Yeah, I just try to stay out of this, but I also want to share with you guys when something like this happens, because sometimes they only happen one time a year, sometimes more than 2 or 3 times. See, we have a little snow early in November, but not like this. Hmm. The only way I can come out if I cover myself real good. Gloves, jacket. I think the question down here is, are we prepared for these kind of things? We try. We try to be prepared. We have groceries and a house for at least 2 or 3 weeks. And if that is not enough, we can always run to the store. But last week we have an ice storm, so we have a frozen water lines. Monday morning, when every time start melt, we have no water to do anytime. But you know what? A good thing that I was able to do before the ice storm, I put a barrel on my rabbits. On each coop, I put a barrel, each chicken coop, and I fill them up with water. And the barrels are inside the coops. So yeah, they get frost, but I can just go with any stick or my hammer and break the ice in the top and just get the water and water the chickens and rabbits and everybody. Same thing down here for the house. was thinking about it. If we don't have water to wash the dishes or water to cook, yeah, we feel clean one barrel real good and fill them up for cooking and not drinking because we got cases of water and gallons of water. We think about prepare ourselves a little bit, but we also carrying a lot of things, especially for these kind of things. But I'm gonna show you a little bit, see what I look like down here. And down here, that's what I tell you. We try to get enough firewood down here for us. We try to make 2 stacks on each side. 2 stacks down here, 2 stacks right there, plus more that I don't even split down there. I just get them out this morning from here and put them under a roof. So I can split it when we're running out of this wood. We have at least for 2 weeks in here. I say 2 weeks, maybe more. But yeah, I like to watch the snow, but I'm not want to be living on a place where it snows all the time. See, it looks pretty. I don't know if you can see, but man, it's cold. See, it's kind of snows more hard right now. But I'm gonna go inside the house. It's too cold for me to stay down here. And come on outside probably when I feed the chickens again. I don't know how many inches we're gonna get of snow, but probably 5 or 6 inches. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna make a snowman. I like to, but there's only me down here, and there's too much work, and it's too cold. Like I say, it looks pretty with snow coming down, but I can't stay down here more than 30 minutes. go inside the house and come on back later. We're gonna try to stay warm. And you guys do not stay in this cold outside. It's too cold, and well, myself, I get sick too easy. That's why I can't stay too long outside. And when I get sick, it takes me weeks to come back to normal. Alright guys, we back inside the house. I just coming back from the feed of chickens for tonight. And it's too cold for me to be outside. I just go because the chickens gotta eat too, like humans. But like I said, we did have a storm, ice storm last weekend. And this weekend we have snow. Well, I like snow better. We have more issues last time because our well pump got messed up and water lines got froze. But we today from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we out of water. And all the water we use is the one that we fill the barrels. We try to prepare for the ice storm, and we don't use the water from the barrels till Monday morning. So on the days we had to use it to wash the dishes, to flush the toilet. But thanks to the good Lord, we made it safe. It's a lot of work, but you gotta do what you gotta do. At this time, we pretty much do the same thing, prepare ourselves with firewood. And we don't have to do too much water because we don't use it too much. And yesterday, somebody come and fix the well pump. And so now we have our water back. But like I say, I want to make a snowman, but it was too cold, and for me to be outside, it's more hard for me because I take blood thinners, and I already feel cold on this side, even when it's hot. So this time of the year it's extra cold. So I don't want to be down there for too long. Well, guys, I hope you like watching our videos. And you do. Please like, share, and subscribe. With it, try to share and be prepared ourselves. We do, like I said, we do canning a lot of stuff. And not only the stuff that we harvest from our garden, we share our eggs, and people gave us fruit, vegetables, and we can that too. And this time of the year, we eat all that too. And we also buy stuff you can store and can be there for years and never goes bad. We got all that. So just in case something like last weekend and this weekend happens, we try to prepare ourselves pretty much. Be ready. Better have it in there and not need it. I learned this from my grandpa. He said, better have it in there and not need it than need it and don't have it. He said, if you don't use it, it's still gonna be there. And if you use it, just go buy more or raise more and put it back for the next year.
Okay.
God bless every one of you guys. Keep us in your prayers. We keep you in our prayers as well. I hope to see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.